Most people think that power is loud. They think that it comes from talking more, taking up more space, or forcing their energy into the room. But real power, real authority, real influence, it's quiet. The strongest people that you've ever met, the ones that you remember, the ones that can shift the energy in the room, usually don't say much at all. Today, I'm going to be breaking down the silent power moves, behaviors that instantly change how people perceive you, how they treat you, and how seriously they take you. So, Power Moves family, if you want to build real influence and real authority, hit subscribe right now, because this one is going to change how you show up tomorrow morning. Silent power move number 1, control your frame. Whoever controls their frame controls the room. Your frame is the emotional state that you hold and the one that you project into the interaction. Weak people adapt to the room. Strong people set the tone for the room. Here's a few signs that you're losing your frame. If you're reacting too fast, you're changing your tone to match others, letting someone else's urgency become your urgency, or getting pulled into someone else's emotional swings. So, here's the power move. Stay calm when everyone else speeds up. Your stillness pulls authority towards you. Whoever stays calmer holds the power. Silent power move number 2. Speak less, mean more. Most people talk to fill the space. Leaders talk to direct space. When you reduce your words, people lean in. Your presence increases. You look more confident and your message hits harder. Weak presence, too many words. Strong presence, intentional words. So here's the silent power move. Pause before you answer. Make people wait a second. It signals, I think before I speak. I'm in control. If you want people to listen, stop talking so much. Silent power move number 3. Own your pace. Fast movement equals anxiety. Fast talking equals insecurity. Fast reactions equals lack of control. Strong presence comes from slowing down. Slower walk, slower gestures, slower transitions, slower breathing, slower emotional responses. This creates the executive presence that people feel instantly. So here's a silent power move. Move 10% slower than you naturally would. It changes everything. Slow is powerful, fast is fearful. Silent power move number 4, the 2-second hold. Eye contact is the most underused power tool in the world. Not staring, not dominating, not challenging, just holding eye contact 2 seconds longer than you normally would. This communicates confidence, composure, attentiveness, authority, and calm certainty. So here's your silent power move. Hold, release, and look away with intention. It makes you magnetic. Eye contact is a language, so learn how to speak it. Silent power move number 5. Don't react first. The person who reacts first has less power. Why? Because reacting is emotional. Responding is strategic. So here's a silent power move. Before reacting, breathe, observe, evaluate, and respond when you choose. This one habit will change your respect more than anything else. Never let someone else's energy decide your reaction. Silent power move number 6. Strong boundaries, few words. Your boundaries communicate more than your words ever will. Powerful boundaries are calm, simple, direct, and non-negotiable. Here's a few scripts that you can use. When you're interrupted, say, hold on, I'm not finished talking. When someone tries to dump more work on you, say, I can't take that on right now, but here's what I can do. When someone disrespects you, I'm not continuing this in that tone. We can revisit this later. No emotion, no explanation, just standards. Boundaries don't require aggression, just standards. Silent power move number 7, be unbothered. The highest level of silent power is being unbothered. People lose respect when they get rattled, they get offended, they defend themselves too much, they take everything personally, or when they react to every tone. So here's your silent power move. Don't flinch, don't fold, and don't justify. When you don't get emotionally hijacked, you become somebody that people look to. Unbothered people rise faster. You don't get respect by being louder. You get respect by being strong internally. These silent power moves work because they're built on self-control, emotional intelligence, presence, clarity, confidence, and grounded energy. If you want to stand out at work, if you want authority without aggression, if you want people to take you seriously, start with these 7 moves. If this has helped you, I want you to do 2 things. Hit subscribe right now and join the Power Moves family, because this is where leaders are built. And watch the next video on the screen. It'll take your presence to the next level. Also, check out some of the products I have. Links are in the description. Might help you out long ways.